Hello, good people. This is Alan, the accountant here. Today, basically, I want us to go through automatic Excel payroll system. And you'll find that I've locked few formulas that will make you get an SSF, housing levy, shift, and the pay. However, for the purpose to confirm that it's a system that works well, we can start by using some few examples. For example, if you have one of your employees by the name Vituko, and then Vituko, whose job designation is the chief chief chef, his payroll number is 2, then basic salary is 50. For this case, let's now say that Vituko's basic salary is 100,000. Vituko gets an acting allowance because he once acted as a restaurant manager, besides being a chief chef. So he received 5,000 as an acting allowance. Then you'll find that now his gross pay will now be 105,000, of which any figure more above 100,000 you will pay an SSF at 4320. Chief will be 2887.50. Then housing levy is that one. So you'll realize that his pay as you earn will be 21,248.6. However, that will be rounded up to 21,249. Then in the event that Vituko still pays for help, for this case, let's say the help deduction is 8,000. It's 7,000, sorry. Then the total deduction that will be, and he also has a salary advance of 15,000. So Vituko basically will have total deduction be 52,031, and his net salary for that month will be 52,968. So basically that's what it is. We can take one example. So let's take an employee who earns a figure, a salary less than 24,000. Let's say Umawa. Umawa, whose job designation is the best villager. That is Umawa's job designation, best villager. Then his payroll number, let's say it's 007, 005. Then Umawa, whose basic salary is 24,000 per month, and who does not have any allowance being paid to him. Umawa's gross salary, inclusive of housing allowance, will be 24,000. Umawa will be deducted 1,440 for the NSSF. Chief will be 660. A housing levy of 360 will be deducted. So the total deductions from Umawa's salary will be 2460. His net take home will be 21,540. That will be from Umawa. And then let's say you can also use another example. Let's say Mujinga. Mujinga, for this case, let's say Mujinga, whose salary now becomes, we can say that Mujinga is the top earning employee for this company. Then we can give Mujinga a 250,000 monthly salary. Mujinga also gets a telephone allowance of 150,000. Then you'll find that the gross pay for Mujinga gross salary will be 400,000. It's an SSF deduction 4320. Chief deduction will be 11,000. Housing levy will be 6,000. You need to take note that housing levy is deducted on the gross pay at 1.5%, and then the same is matched by the employer. Chief is deducted at 2.75% of the gross pay, and then the maximum threshold for the NSSF payment is 4320. So you'll realize that the pay, that will be taken to the taxman, will be 105,987 from Mujinga's salary. Then we will also realize that Mujinga also pays a help of 4,500. So the total deductions from Mujinga's salary will be 131,808. His net take home will be 268,192. So basically, those are deductions that can be tested, and you'll find that these exotic payroll system from our own consulting and services, it's good one because we can also email payslips to the relevant staff. Besides that, we can also ensure that the P10 for the filing to the KRA, NSSF, and those ones are all automated. Thank you and have a blessed Saturday. Happy New Year 2022, 2026, sorry.